DKDYNAMICS presents Optical Experiment Kit.
Hello friends, welcome to DKDYNAMICS. So friends, physics is my ever favorite subject because it tells us about the various natural phenomena and also gives us the scientific explanation behind these phenomena. So friends, the rainbow in the sky, the mirage formation during the hot sunny days, and the blue color of the sky, etc. are the different types of the optical phenomena we see in nature. So friends, if you are in 10th class, you are having the light chapter in your syllabus, and you have also learned about the various laws of reflection and refraction. So friends, theoretically these laws are very boring, but experimentally they can be understood very easily and we can easily clear our concepts. So friends, to understand the optics, I have developed a optical experiment kit which is going to clear all your concepts about the light and is going to tell you about the various optical phenomena very easily. So friends, using this kit you can very easily clear your concepts and you are going to know more about the optical. So friends, for understanding these optical phenomena we are using the 3-line lasers. So friends, here are the 3-line lasers in which we are having 3 holes in front, and each hole is connected by these 3 switches which are going to operate individually. So friends, here is the concave mirror, which is the converging mirror, and friends, as you know that the image is going to form is real, diminished and at the focus. So friends, this is the convex lens and all the parallel rays are going to meet at the focus as the convex lens is going to converge the light rays. So friends, this is the biconcave lens and all the parallel rays are going to diverge, as you can see. So friends, this is the plano concave lens, and here and then this. So friends, now we are having prism and light is going to deviate. As you can see that the light is deviating, and friends, now you are going to see the total internal reflection. Now friends, you see that here the lights are reflecting internally, and this happens generally when the light passes from the denser medium to the rarer. So friends, this is the rectangular glass slab, and now you can see that the light is going to deviate. So friends, if you are going to produce this line, there will be difference, and the light of emergence is going to be parallel with the refracted ray. So friends, now we are using plane mirror. So friends, this is the line of incidence and this is the reflected line. So friends, as we have studied that the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal are all lie in the same plane, as we can see here, and friends, the angle of the incident ray is equal to the angle of the reflected ray. So friends, this was our optical experiment kit. And friends, as we all know that we have to draw the ray diagrams which are very hard to draw, and friends, by using this optical experiment kit it is very easy to draw these ray diagrams very precisely and easily. And friends, this optical experiment kit is also very useful for teachers. So friends, I think that you are going to use this optical experiment kit for the understanding the fundamentals of the optics and for increasing the knowledge of your physics. So friends, if you have any query regarding this optical experiment kit, you can mail me. If you want more details, you can log on to www.dkdynamics.com, and you can also buy this optical experiment kit from our Facebook shop. And friends, please like, share and subscribe my videos, and I will be coming back with some more new and the fantastic projects. Till then, thank you, goodbye.